Ready to go get something to eat?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's eat!
Hi, welcome to Hunt and Gather with the Chatters. Today we're in southern Arizona on a whitetail deer hunt, or we call them COUES down here. And I don't have a tag, but my dad has a tag and an old family friend, a buck. So we're hoping we can spot up some good deer and they can get one. And this hunt should be pretty cool. My nephew is with us. He's only 6 years old, so he's not old enough to hunt deer himself, but might get in on some shooting with the 22 or something with him. And then we got my brother along too, so that's always good. Anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully we get lucky and we get something to eat. All right, it's early morning, opening day. We're gonna head out any minute and see if we can spot a nice buck, or any buck really. We're not particular. This is the youngest member of the deer hunting party. What's your name?
EJ.
EJ. We gonna get a deer today?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, huh?
Yeah.
There's a doe.
No, I keep shooting. I like shooting.
Okay.
EJ, you're 6 years old?
Yeah.
So how old do you have to be to hunt deer? 10?
10.
Okay, so you're practicing for future deer hunting, huh?
Yeah, so I'm going to practice, but I'm not going to shoot deer. I'm shooting a target.
Okay. Sit down.
Can I
so
see you?
can target.
Can I see you shoot the target?
Woo. Okay, yeah. I can't believe I shoot it. Only one time.
Okay. Sight it in. You gotta pay attention.
Okay.
Don't put your finger on the trigger till the
Okay.
last bit. Okay.
Move your hand. I think I missed this one.
Here, hon. Let me fix this for you. Remember, that's loaded, so don't point it at nobody.
Okay. I'm going to point at the sky really quick.
There you go. That's gonna be too high.
All right, pretend this is a deer 4 years from now.
Okay, I'm gonna take the safety off. Okay, whenever you're ready, whenever you get it on the target.
You gonna go
Yeah.
see if you hit it?
I need to check again. I cannot tell because I didn't shoot that far. I cannot see that far.
All right, let's see where you hit it.
Okay. So, just pretend I hit it like only one time. Okay.
Oh, you hit it there?
What? Right here?
Okay.
What? I hit it right here?
So you did just hit it because now there's 3 holes.
No.
Awesome, EJ.
I hit it right here and there.
He's in across the wash. Oh yeah. And then it goes this way. Fresh deer droppings. A lot more blood. Okay, he's in these bushes. We got a little bit of footage of where we found him laying there, and you want to hold him up? We need some good footage of that deer up close.
How's that?
Look at it.
Yeah.
4 by
Can you
4.
hold him down here and let the horn show?
Yeah, that's a.
These little Coues whitetail are awful small, but boy, are they ever good eating.
They are good eating, aren't
Yes, they are.
All right. Well,
They're
you
the
guys got
best.
your work cut out for you now.
Yes,
Yep.
we do.
All right.
All right.
Well,
And
congratulations.
well, thank you.
EJ, show me how you cross a gate.
Okay. But I'll open
You're
it.
faster at it than I am. So that's how you're supposed to do it.
But you could climb up like this. Turn yourself over. Wow. Then jump off.
That's pretty slick. Kind of a bummer this time. We had to leave camp. You know, people had work and school the next day, so we didn't have a chance to do the recipe section of our videos that we normally do. But it's all good. We got a cookbook out on Amazon if you want to check out some cool recipes with wild game. Just gonna get onto Amazon and look up Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook, and you'll see it there. And we can't wait to see you next time when we go get something to eat. Oh, it's lunchtime. Awesome. Let's see there. That should make a good sandwich. Oh, that ain't right.
Wait, there's a better way.
Better than this? That's setting the bar kind of low.
Here, it's the Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook. It's got awesome recipes that are inexpensive, taste delicious, and it's even got tips for field dressing and butchering.
Thanks, Hunt and Gather with the Chatters.
Find it on Amazon now.
Hey Mom, what are we having for dinner tonight?
I don't know, I was thinking about making something new. Ginger Jerusalem lobster? I'll save that for when I win the Grammys. Chicken marsala, we got some chicken in the fridge. What else does it need? Dry cherry and saffron? Nobody has that. We're having ramen again.
Ramen again? We've had this every day of the week. Seriously?
Bring, bring, bring.
Hello? Oh, hey Tori. Yeah, I'm just about to sit down to have my daily ration of ramen. What? Your family got the Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook? And you're gonna make deer enchiladas? I'm on my way.
Where are you going?
Tori's parents got the Hunt and Gather with Chatters cookbook. Sorry, Mom.
Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook. Get yours today on Amazon.
And now my present to you, Daddy.
Oh, from you? Oh, socks. Thanks, Pumpkin.
I'm excited.
Wow, I'm excited too with the look on your face. Oh, a new phone. It takes pictures and pretty much does everything all phones do. Thanks.
Hey there. Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah, I guess.
What's that?
Is that another present? A Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook?
Yeah.
This is the one that has sections on butchery and field dressing and all kinds of cool recipes on fish and game. But where did you get it? I thought they were all sold out in the stores.
Amazon. Get yours today.
Who are you talking to? Hey, honey.
Hey,
I brought us dinner. It's organic stir fry.
that sounds good. I was gonna make something, but I didn't have any ideas. Let me get a couple plates. This is really good. Did you get it from that new restaurant, Chan's on 5th?
No, my buddy Rick got the new Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook, and he made it with some ducks he got this morning.
Wow, it's really good.
Hunt and Gather with the Chatters cookbook. Get yours from Amazon today.